Good day, Mamel John B. Dizon. My name is Ramon B. Bilutindos. I am first year college student taking BSA major in agronomy. In this video, I am going to discuss our answer in learning activity lesson 7, numbers 1 and 2. Allow me to use my back camera to video the discussion. So here is our answer in AG104 lesson 7 learning activity. Number 1. Which number in each of the following sets ranks higher? So to find the highest rank, we need to compute the atomic number to the given elements. So here, in letter A, hydrogen and bromine. Hydrogen has an atomic number 1 and a bromine is 35. So the bromine has the highest rank. Letter B, chlorine and bromine. Chlorine has 17th atomic number and bromine has 35. So bromine is the highest rank. Letter C, CH3 and CH2CH3. So CH3 has a total atomic number of 9, which carbon has 6 atomic number plus 3 hydrogen equals 9, and CH2 plus CH3 has 17 all. So CH2, CH3 is the highest rank. Letter D, NH2 and OH. Nitrogen has 7 atomic number plus 2 hydrogen equals 9, and oxygen has 8 atomic number plus 1 hydrogen equals 9. So they have equal sets rank. Letter E, CH2, OH, and CH3. So with highest rank is the CH2OH with 17 overall atomic number compared to CH3. Letter F, CH2OH compared to CH double bond oxygen. So CH double bond and oxygen has the highest rank because we need to consider that double bond is considered to have high rank. So let's proceed to number 2. Show your solution in this item. To determine whether it is A configuration or C configuration. So this is how it will be explained. So letter A, C double bond to C, so carbon. So here, H3C over CH3H2. So we need to compare carbon first to the other element here below. So here, so carbon compared to carbon, they have the same atomic number. So we need to move to the next element. So carbon compared to H3. So carbon has the high atomic number compared to H3. So this will be sets high. So here is low. So in the other side, CH2OH compared to chlorine, Cl. So here, so chlorine compared to carbon. So chlorine has the highest atomic number compared to chlorine. So it sets to be that this is high and here is low. So the configuration here, low and low, then below is high and high. So the configuration is Z configuration with the same rank. So proceed to letter B. So here, Cl over CH3O, then in the right side, CH3 compared to CH3 CH2 CH3. So in the left first, chlorine over oxygen. Chlorine has the highest atomic number, so here is high and here is low. So in the right side, CH3 carbon compared to carbon is the same. So let's move to the other elements. Carbon compared to H3. So carbon has highest atomic number than CH3. So it sets that this will be high and here is low. So let's compare. So in the left side has high configuration and here is low. So they are opposite, and here below this is low and other side is high. So the configuration will be a configuration that is considered as opposite configuration. So proceed to letter C. So here hydrogen and H3C and carbon and nitrogen compared to CH2 and H2. So here, so first carbon and hydrogen. So carbon is considered that has a high atomic number. So it says that this is high and here is low. So next, so here CN and CH2 and H2. So this will set us that this below sets high because it has a long chain compared to the CN. So this is low. So to compare, this is low and low, so they have the same. Here below is high and high, so they are both the same. So the configuration will be Z configuration with the same rank. So that's all my part. Thank you.
Day, ma'am. I am Nikki Abrasaldo Tubio, and this is my assigned topic. Uh, Lesson 7 Learning Activity, number 3. Describe the four kinds of organic reaction and give one example each. So, the first organic reaction that uh, that I have gathered was addition reaction. Addition reaction is an organic reaction in which two or more molecules combine to generate a bigger one. So, in addition reaction, eh, it combines more molecules to generate or to get a bigger one molecule. So, addition reactions are limited to chemical compounds that have multiple bonds, such as molecules with carbon-carbon double bonds, or alkenes, which with triple bonds, or alkynes, or with carbonyl groups can undergo addition as they have the double bond character. So, uh, I will show you one of the example in addition reaction. So the the example of this is C2H4 plus Ci2, and arrow C2H2Ci2. So this I will show you here a picture above or in my side. Ako rin pagkita siya. Next. So, ang next na ko nga organic reaction nga nakuha is elimination reaction. It is a type of chemical reaction where several atoms, either in pairs or group, are removed from a molecule. So, chemical reaction where several atoms, either pairs or group, are removed. So, kuhaan di ay kay removement. So, a reaction in which molecule loses atoms or groups of atoms usually form from adjust atoms, almost resulting in a new bond. So, gikuhaan nila ang usa ka grupo to create new one or new bond of atoms. In this reaction, two atoms or groups are removed from a molecule without being substituted by other atoms. Gikuhaan siya pero wala lang siya gi-substitute. So, then a new C double bond is formed between the carbon atoms to which are eliminated atoms or group are previously attached. It is always accompanied with change in hybridization. So, I have here an example. So, ako ipakita ninyo sa akong tapat. Kani siya nga picture of my example. So the third one, the third organic reaction I have got, akong nakitaan is substitution reaction. Substitution reaction can also be called a single displacement reaction. So, ang substitution reaction, matawag po ni siya o displacement reaction kaysa substitution. So, in a word, substitute mo murag pulihan na siya ba. It is a type of reaction where an atom or group of atom in a molecule is replaced or substituted. So, muna siya sa gitawag na to nga giilisan. So, sa replace sa murag giilisan siya. So, by the or substitution by different atoms or group of atoms. Na ako example gihapon diri. Ako lang ipakita sa next slide. So, muna siya example for substitution reaction. Kita lang na siya. So, the fourth organic reaction nga ako nakita is rearrangement reaction. Rearrangement reaction, a molecule undergoes a reorganization of its constituent parts. So, undergo ni siya og reorganization sa iyang mga constituent parts. So, for example, heating with strong acid from another isomeric alkene. So, moto napo ko example diri nga picture. I'll give a picture here. Na ko'y picture nga maga-describe sa rearrangement reaction for further para masabtan jud siya. So, mahatag ko og example nga picture nga akong gigama para lang masabtan kay napod sa ato ang instruction or given question nga gihatag ni ma'am nga describe the four kinds of organic reaction and give one example of each. So, naghatag po tagsa nga example sa akong nakuha nga detalye. So, moto siya nga A is una is addition reaction, second is elimination reaction, and third is substitution, and fourth is rearrangement reaction. So, maura to nga part na ako. Thank you. God bless.
Good evening, Ma'am, Mel. I am Emmanuel Aakan. I'm hearing nation Eight, one, two, three. So number one, what is a product of this reaction? H one source. So this is a structure and HCI. This is the structure and is so two metabolism in each what protein are same in certain amount. So number two, if a someone they are condition that no following reaction. So letter A, addition of water or and this. So this is a factor that it is letter B, addition of H or hydrogen. So this is factor. No means no being, no order means being. So letter C is addition of S or hydrogen. So letter A, S or R, hydrogen or A, B, C, I or R, chlorine, no chlorine. Letter C, CH3 or CH4, CH3, vitamin, vitamin. So letter C is NH4 or OS. Did you know hydrogen is so letter E is CSO, CSO, OS or CSA. Hydrogen is maintained. Letter F is CSE, OS or CS plus O plus O. CS equals O. Hydrogen is so that's all wrong.
Good day, ma'am. My name is Kirby Saikon, and this is my answer for Lesson 8 Learning Activity number 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this is Lesson 8 Learning Activity number 4. Differentiate between a monomer and a polymer. A monomer is a chemical subunit, the beads of the chain, while polymer is a large molecule consisting of long chains of similar subunits. So number 5. Give at least 2 examples of conjugated dienes. So 3,5-octadiene conjugated, 1,3-cyclohexadiene conjugated. So conjugated dienes have the 2 double bonds separated by a single bond. So number 6. What is the difference between oxidation reaction and reduction reaction? Oxidation is the loss of electrons, while reduction is the gain of electrons. So for number 7, give one example of equation showing addition of X2 to alkene. So this is the examples of alkene: 2-methyl-propene and 2-chloro-2-methyl-propene. So this is all for my answers for lesson 8 learning activity.